it's your girl Morgan Sinclaire, and I'm back again for another video. If you're new to my channel, hi love, welcome to my channel, and hit that subscribe button right there. And if you're old to my channel, what's up? You already know who I am. It's your girl back again for another video, and today I'm giving you this fall look. Hold up. Did I just say fall? Me? Did I just say fall? Somebody said fall, and it was me. Because it's my favorite season, and it's fall, even though I was born in the right season, which is summer. But it is fall. I love the shades, the colors, the warm tones, the layers, the everything. And it is fall, and I'm giving you a fall look. And I'm so excited for fall. And hold on while I jam real quick. It is fall. It's fall. It's fall. Hold on. Like, it's fall. So, without further ado, let's get into this video because it's fall.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Okay guys, let's get started. I'm taking the burnt sienna and citrus umber, and I'm just starting with burnt sienna to make a transition for the transition shade. So I'm blending that in, then blending citrus umber right after and making it that deep brown. So next I'll be using black. I got that black from MAC. I mean, like, I really like the black because it's not too dark, but I'm making this a real deep transition shade. So we're just putting on that black and we're just building it up. So I took like 3 or 4 coats of this and just blended. Now I'm using the Revolution concealer in C5 to do my cut crease. So we know how to do. We just start with the center, lift my eye up, and then follow that line that was made by when I lift my eye up. And then I'm using my flat M100 brush by Morphe. I love this brush. It is very defined and it helps with the cut crease as well. And make sure that once you do your cut crease, you pat after you get all the concealer down. Patting helps dry the concealer and blends it out as well. Next, I'll be using my glitter glue by Too Faced, and I use a small eyebrow brush to apply it. I usually use this brush to carve out my eyebrows, but this brush really is good with this glitter glue. I'll be using the Ulta Beauty Lustrous foil in copper. I love this foil. It was really sticky, and so that was really helpful to apply this with the glue. Be careful getting this foil. It is kind of messy. It's just like glitter, so it did get everywhere on my eye, but it came out so pretty and so just sultry. I wanted the sultriness of the glitter to just stand out on my eye. That's what it did, so I'm excited for that. Okay, so, and we know how I feel about blending, so I'm taking that brown again, blending it and covering up those white spaces. Then I'm going back over and taking that foil and just rubbing, smoothing it out, making sure I don't have any dark spaces. Next, I'm taking the NYX cream eyeliner in the shade black. I love this gel liner. This gel liner is amazing, and it really helped cut over that foil. The foil was so hard to cut over, so this was a good liner to do this with. Like I said, it gets everywhere, so right now I'm just using my makeup wipes and wiping that excess shadow off. Also, now I'm taking the same NYX gel and making liner at the bottom. I'll be taking my Fenty Beauty white liner. I love this liner in the Bay set, and it was so easy to apply. I used like 2 coats and it stayed on so nice. I'll be using the Maybelline Big Shot Colossal Mascara. This is just to prep my eyelashes before I put the lashes on. Next, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Liquid Foundation in the shade 440. And yes, you guys know how I feel about blending, so make sure you blend that out. And the Fenty Beauty Concealer in 410 Sis. This concealer is life. It gives you the highlight, that perfect highlight that you need. Like, don't nobody do it, but Fenty, well, yeah. Don't nobody do it as well as Fenty. But then I'm using my Beauty Beaker blender, and that is really getting into that foundation and that concealer and making an even blend, which I definitely appreciate. Next, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Coco Naughty. I know I love this bronzer to do my contour. It makes so much of a difference. So much. Again, my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Hazelnut, just to even out my contour and to chisel out those features that I wanted to do, and to set my under concealer as well. Next, I'll be using my Wet n Wild highlight, crown my canopy. Y'all, we talking about how much y'all like my highlight. I'm showing y'all how I do it. I take a eyeshadow brush, apply it, then I take a small eyeshadow brush and make it more defined. So you see me doing that right there. I'm using my Lovejoy by MAC blush and eyelashes. I did not know I love these eyelashes until I bought them. But these Kiss eyelashes in Lavish, sis, when I say I am living lavish with this dramatic lashes, I did not know I needed this drama until I bought these lashes. Next, I'm adding another layer of highlight. This is going to give that 3D dimensional, you can see me in outer space look. And then I'm adding some to my nose as well. And now I'll be using my Revolution lipstick in Blindfolded. Ooh, it's so sultry and purple, just right for fall. And I'm telling y'all, it gave me that look. My lips look so kissable, and I'm so excited. Like, somebody take me out right now, right this second. Lastly, I'll be putting highlight, adding again to my nose, my lips, and in my eyes. And that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you leave a like, leave a comment, and don't forget, most importantly, subscribe to my channel and become part of our family, because you know you want to. And hit that notification bell so you never miss my post. I love you a lot, and bye.